Most people look at a $100 bill and see exactly $100. They see a tank of gas, a few meals, a minor expense. But that is a comfortable lie. A very small group of people sees something entirely different. They see leverage. Turning $100 into $10,000 in 30 days sounds like a scam, because society has trained you to think of wealth in terms of luck, gambling, or grinding. I didn't day trade, I didn't buy a lottery ticket, and I didn't sell my time. Instead, I exploited a hidden psychological pattern built into the modern economy. A pattern based on one simple truth. People do not pay for things. They pay for the removal of friction. Before we go further, tell me in the comments, do you prefer to play it safe or take a risk? Type one word below, safe or risk. Your answer dictates how you see the world. The system relies on you playing it safe, trading your hours for fixed pennies. It keeps you trapped in linear growth. But if you want to understand the hidden patterns that actually dictate wealth, subscribe now. Because today, we are breaking the illusion. To multiply money exponentially, you have to stop looking at the money. You have to look at the inefficiency hidden right in front of you. Every day, highly profitable businesses bleed money without realizing it. They have massive budgets, but terrible bottlenecks. This is where my 30-day experiment began. I found a local business generating millions in revenue, but failing at one simple task. Their online reputation was destroying their new client acquisition. It was a massive point of friction, and they had no idea how to fix it. This is where the $100 comes in. I didn't spend the money on ads. I didn't buy inventory. I used exactly $99 to purchase a specialized software license, a tool designed to automate and recover lost customer reviews in seconds. Most people try to invent a product to sell. I simply bought the solution to someone else's expensive problem. I approached the business owner, not as an employee, but as an authority. I didn't offer to work for an hourly rate. That is the trap of the middle class. I offered an outcome, a guaranteed result. I promised to fix their reputation and bring back lost revenue within 30 days. If I failed, they paid nothing. If I succeeded, my fee was $10,000. When you remove all risk for the buyer, the word no disappears. I plugged the $99 system into their business. It ran quietly in the background, recovering furious customers and filtering complaints. Within 2 weeks, their online rating transformed. Foot traffic increased. The friction was gone. By day 30, they gladly paid the $10,000 invoice. Because to them, it wasn't an expense, it was a bargain. To understand how this works, you must understand the psychology of price. Price is rarely tied to the cost of materials. Price is dictated by the perceived value of the outcome. Wealthy people and successful businesses value time above all else. They will happily pay outrageous sums of money if you can hand them back their time. The $100 I spent was merely a bridge over their chasm of inefficiency. They didn't know the bridge existed. Or if they did, they didn't have the mental bandwidth to construct it themselves. This is the definition of arbitrage: buying a solution for pennies in one market and selling the outcome for thousands in another. The mistake most people make is looking at the $99 cost. They think, I can't charge $10,000 for something that cost me $100. That is a psychological barrier programmed into you by an industrial education system. You were taught to measure your worth by the hour. But the market doesn't care how long it takes you to solve a problem. It only cares that the problem is solved. When you shift your mindset from selling time to selling outcomes, you unlock the highest leverage system in the economy. Most people never learn these systems, unless they actively study them. If you are beginning to see the pattern, make sure you are subscribed, because those who see the game control the game. Now, let's look at the mechanics of making this work for you. The secret to this level of growth is information asymmetry. You know something the other party does not. You know where the cheap tools are hiding. While everyone else is fighting in crowded markets, you become a silent operator. You don't need a massive team, and you don't need a complex business plan. You need precision. Society is full of broken processes. Wealth is simply the reward for reorganizing that chaos into order. If you try to turn $100 into $200, you play the game of margins. It is exhausting, slow, and fiercely competitive. But turning 100 into 10,000 requires breaking the physics of the game. It requires you to stop being a participant and start being an architect. The architect doesn't lay the bricks. They design the system that lays the bricks. I bought a software system. I became the architect of their customer recovery. I bypassed the struggle of creating value from scratch and simply routed existing value. This is how the wealthy actually multiply capital. They don't work harder than you. They just position themselves at the center of high-leverage intersections. They control the flow of solutions. And you can do the exact same thing, starting today. You just need to change the way you observe the world around you. Look past the noise. Look past the consumer products. Find the pain points that are costing businesses money. Find the friction. Here is your exact mental framework. There are 3 rules you must follow to replicate this asymmetric return. Rule 1. Identify the bleed. Find someone losing money or time. Their frustration is your opportunity. Rule 2. Find the arbitrage. I want to hear your perspective. What is the biggest friction point in your current industry? Tell us in the comments. The answer might be your next opportunity. There is always a cheap, obscure tool or piece of data that solves the expensive problem. Rule 3. Sell the outcome, never the process. Never tell them how long it will take. Just like a surgeon, you are paid to heal the wound, not for the minutes you stand in the room. When you follow these 3 rules, the amount of money you start with becomes irrelevant. The $100 was never the magic ingredient. The magic ingredient was the ability to see the invisible geometry of the market, to see the connections that most people walk blindly past every single day. Once you master this, you hold the ultimate advantage. Most people spend their lives reacting to the system. They wait for a paycheck. They beg for a raise. They hope for a lucky break. They endure the friction, believing it is just the way life is. But a few learn to understand the system. They realize that wealth is simply energy transferred from the unobservant to the observant. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need to find the gap between a problem and its hidden solution, and the moment you see the pattern, you can never unsee it. This is how the real game is played. Not by working harder, but by thinking deeper. Every day, we break down these hidden patterns behind wealth, psychology, and power. If you want to understand the hidden rules that shape money and decision-making, subscribe to Hidden Secrets Archive. This channel is built for people who want to think differently and see the patterns most people miss. Join us. The archive is open.